agreed to take this relationship to another level. We started by being friends. We can do this, we can win. You met some of my family. I have zero interest in meeting yours. You chose me, I chose you, but your family chose someone else. I follow my heart, gave breaks to my mind. I figured it